Hey friends, today I want to do a little bit of experimentation. In a previous class, I shared with you the Mahayoga pranayama technique for increasing your breath retention. And most of you probably found it challenging to hold the breath for more than 10-15 seconds. So what we're going to do today is we'll do a few rounds of the technique known as priming, and then we'll do Mahayoga pranayama. And I'm curious to see how much longer you'll be able to hold the breath after doing that. So find your seat, get comfortable, get cozy. You're back home now. Close down the eyes and feel that sense of familiarity as you reconnect with your breathing position. Place your hands on your knees or your thighs. Sit bones strong down into the mat. Thighs are relaxed. Spine nice and tall. Back straight. Shoulders easy, loose. Arms loose and relaxed. And just simply gaze for a moment into the dark space, into the void. And imagine breathing into that space. Drawing the air in from the darkness and exhaling it into the same space. And just note how you're feeling in this moment. Wherever you just came from, you've brought that energy with you. But in this space, you're allowed to drop that. So like you're carrying bags or luggage from your day into your practice, just allow those bags to fall from your fingers, slipping through them, falling away. Relaxing even more. Relaxing into present being. Noticing how your breath is at this moment. Trying not to change its quality. We'll do that in a moment. For now, just observe. Okay, now we're going to prepare for our first round of priming. Which, if you remember, is grabbing the energy from above and pulling it towards you. And we'll do a round of 30. So everybody inhale, exhale, yourself empty, exhale it all out, and begin. Release and relax. Observe any change in your body sensation, in your shoulders, in your arms. Staying loose. Getting ready for the next round. If you want to follow along, we're going to do 35. Do less if you're feeling lightheaded or dizzy, if it's too much. Exhale all the breath out. And let's go. Release, relax, observing the passing moment. Accepting all that you feel and exploring the sensations. Getting ready for the last round of 40. Once again, if you don't feel you can do 40, then go at your own pace. Exhale all out. And let's go. Release and relax. Return to your natural breathing. Now come to your knees in Vajrasana, Zen pose. And we're going to exhale all out together and hold the exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale it out. And hold. If any time you need to come up earlier, just do so. Inhaling to full and hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale to full and hold. And keep going at your own pace. Follow me if you like to. Couple more rounds. Wherever you are, do one more round and stay in the seated position when you're done. Come back to Vajrasana, seated, folded leg pose, hands resting on the thighs, eyes remain closed, and be with your feeling. Observe the change from when you started the practice to how you feel now. What's the quality of your thinking? And what are you feeling in your body? Stay here a few more moments. Noticing how your lung capacity feels. How does it feel to breathe now compared to before? Okay. Thank you for practicing with me today. Hopefully you can see a little bit the link between some of these techniques and their effect on our lung capacity and our ability to hold. This will improve with time. You'll be able to hold longer and longer. And if you do the advanced portion of this course, you'll be really surprised at how long you can actually hold beyond what you've been doing now. So thank you again for honoring yourself and practicing with me. And I will see you next time. Have a great day.